Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Adobe Acrobat account authentication settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Adobe Acrobat account authentication settings, start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to transfer settings. Navigate to the Preferences menu by clicking on the Edit menu in the top bar. In the drop-down menu, select Preferences to open the Settings window. Locate the Accounts section within the Preferences window. In the Accounts section, you will see the option for Manage Account or Sign In. Click on this option to access your account details. Next, make a note of your current authentication settings. This may include your username, password, and any other linked authentication methods. After noting the details, sign out of your current account. To sign into the new account, return to the Sign In screen. Enter the credentials you noted earlier for the new account. Once logged in, navigate back to the Preferences menu. Again, go to the Accounts section within Preferences. Here, you'll add the authentication methods that match your previous account settings. Follow prompts to verify any changes or updates needed for the new account. Confirm all your settings are accurate by reviewing them one last time. Finally, exit the Preferences menu to complete the process. Your Adobe Acrobat account authentication settings have now been successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.